Hello, and welcome back to BrokeandHungry. I'm someone who loves Chinese food. It's simple, it's colorful, and it's really delicious. But that stuff can get pretty expensive, so let's see if we can make a healthy alternative that is really good for the price. What's this meal? It is green beans and ground turkey stir fry. Let's get into it. We'll need rice, sesame oil, fresh green onion, garlic. I have it prepared. Ground turkey, sriracha, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and a big bag of green beans, boy. Is a nice sized pot and a large, and I mean a pretty large, pan or two medium pans just in case the stuff doesn't fit. Coat both lightly in oil and bring the heat to the highest setting for both your pans and pot. Once hot, lower your pan or pans to low heat and just only the pans. Then add your rice to the pot. When the rice has turned a light golden brown, add your water and a pinch or two of salt. Kind of get that little flavor in there. When your water has reached boiling levels, lower the heat all the way down and cover your pot so the rice can steam. When the rice is about done, in the large skillet over high heat, add your onions, garlic, and sesame oil. If you have two medium-sized pans, choose, if possible, the larger out of the two for this. Let it cook or saute for 2 minutes. Then after that, throw in your ground turkey along with sriracha, hoisin sauce, and ginger if you bought some, along with your sauteed onions and garlic, and cook again for 3 to 5 minutes or until the meat is mostly cooked. Don't forget to break the turkey apart though. For the 2-pan people, use a smaller if possible, for you are transferring this to the larger pan. Finally, add your freshly washed green beans to the mix and coat the food with your soy sauce. Let this cook for around 9 minutes or until the beans are tender. 2-pan people, use the same pan the turkey was cooked in and evenly separate the soy sauce for both pans. Of course, now you can serve and enjoy. The recipe can feed up to 8 people. I spent around $14 at the store because the sauces made the bulk of it. It was about $7 to $8, in fact, actually. It was about $6 for the green beans and the turkey, so it was pretty cheap. It necessarily isn't a struggle meal because I did spend $14, but if you already have the sauces beforehand, again, you save a lot of money. I spent about $3.50 per serving just because I did buy everything up front, but after the sauces and all the math that I did, because that's $1.50 actually per serving, so that's really good. For watching my video, coming to my channel. Hopefully you liked, subscribed. I know it's everywhere, you hear that all the time, but it really does help me out if you do like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.